Okay, so I wanted to shoot this video for electrical system shorts, and I was having an issue with my running lights, marking lights, whatever you want to call them. Basically my tail lights and my marking lights up on my fenders. Now, this particular truck is a 2005 Western Star, so on my running light, marking light, whatever you want to call it, then I've got my headlights are on the same switch. I've got my clearance lights on another switch. The problem was I was popping the F2 fuse. There's the fuse panel. Everybody has seen those before, so I don't need to pull that out. But at first we thought it was the actual switch for the marking lights and headlights. There was a problem in that, but the wiring harness coming up to the back of the switch, we were able to jump it to get the dash lights working. So we kind of isolated it that there wasn't anything coming from the fuse panel over to the switch itself. To help you guys out on trying to trace down wiring shorts, here's one of the things we use. They'll tell you to disconnect the 7-pin male connector from the 7-pin female connector for your trailer. Yes, that's true. You should do that because that'll isolate whether it's between the trailer and the actual truck itself. You're also going to find that you have canon connectors. This is where mine's located. It's over here behind the air box. It was a pain in the ass to get to. I had to move all that stuff out of the way. But you have a canon connector that goes in for your trailer wiring harness. You've also got the female to male wiring harness connector up here in the firewall. This is for my AC, this is for my headlights and turn signals up here in the front. You've also got other circuits up in here that'll be for your ECM, other parts of the wiring for your AC. You've got other additional parts up in here, which if you can see those, whatever circuit you're working on, if you come out here to the firewall and disconnect your wiring harness, that'll tell you whether it's before or after the firewall, which will help you start isolating circuits. So rather than coming in here and taking apart your male to female connectors for your running lights and your headlights, start with the big wiring harness to firewall connectors. That'll help you isolate where the problem is. This particular issue, even with the dashboard, happened to be corrosion in the 7-pin connector, the female, that are wiring for our trailer to connect up to. So it was bizarre how that was affecting the dashboard lights, but hey, there it is.